This is a Ghost Milo Dinosaur.
Whoa!
Let's make one. Follow me. First, we get the mug and a whiteboard marker. Using our whiteboard marker, we're going to draw smileys on our mug. So for my mug, I'm going to draw 3 smileys. Let's put circle eyes on this one with a tongue sticking out. There you have it. 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to get some milk. Next, we're going to get Milo or chocolate powder. Now we're going to make a chocolate drink. I'm going to add 5 teaspoons of mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Keep on stirring. It's not brown enough. Let's add some more. Whoops! Oh no, my teaspoon! Let's add 2 more. 1, 2. I think this is enough. Let's taste it. You want some? Now let's get whipped cream and a teaspoon. Now let's make the white part of our ghost. Now let's stick the cream inside the glass. A bit more down. Let's continue with the other 2. Last one. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Let's carefully put the chocolate Milo inside a mug. Let's put the Milo on top of the drink. And there you have it, Ghost Milo Dinosaur. Yummy! Like and subscribe for more fun stuff. See you in my next video.